Now here, this is wheeze and bronchi sound. Now wheeze and bronchi, these sound produced because of obstruction at the level of bronchi and bronchioles. So whenever patient is having narrowing of this lower airway, this sound can be produced. It is mainly during the expiration but can be occur in the inspiration and expiration both, but do not occur in inspiration alone. And quality, just like whistling and musical sound, and high pitch sound, polyphonic sound. Basic difference between wheeze and bronchi is uh, difference of pitch and the site of production. Both are because of the airflow through the narrow airway. Whenever airway is narrow, this sound will be produced. Wheeze is high pitch sound, musical sound, and caused by the constriction of bronchioles, while the rhonchi is low pitch and coarse sound, loud sound compared to the wheeze, and it is because of the obstruction of bronchus and bronchi obstruction, and sometimes even the tracheal obstruction can produce the rhonchi sound, but mainly at the level of bronchus and bronchi, while the wheeze because of obstruction of bronchioles.